Big data surrounds us. There is a huge volume of information generated every second from applications, websites, and devices. People want to save and store it because it may be useful. Saving the data is not sufficient, we must know how to utilize it. That is where big data analytics comes in. It enables businesses to improve decision-making, run their businesses more effectively, and remain competitive. That is why big data analytics is today one of the most critical components of the tech sector. Big data equals big career growth. If you are still wondering why it would be a great idea to learn big data, here is the number one reason. 1. Enormous demand for data specialists. There are more big data positions open today than ever. Gene Harris, a leading business guru, once said, "Data is useless without the skill to analyze it." What this means is that possessing data is not enough, we need people who can read and apply it. 2. Plenty of jobs, but not enough trained individuals. Most companies are ready to employ data working individuals, and they are growing in number at a rapid rate. 3. Big data careers are highly lucrative. Big data career is rewarding because most organizations require data-savvy professionals, and therefore the compensation for big data is on the rise. 4. Big data analytics is extremely critical to businesses. A survey titled Peer Research, Big Data Analytics revealed that most businesses now rate big data analytics as one of their top priorities. 5. Increasingly more people are adopting big data analysis. New technology and tools are assisting us to interpret enormous and diverse quantities of data. Because of this, more companies are applying big data analytics to make sound decisions. 6. Analytics enables firms to make informed decisions. Analytics is of crucial significance to most companies. In a survey titled Analytics Advantage, almost 96% of the participants said that analytics would be of even more importance to their companies in the next 3 years. 7. Increasingly, companies are utilizing fresh kinds of data. A study titled Peer Research, Big Data Analytics states that the majority of companies these days are employing various forms of data that are not structured like normal numbers or tables. 8. Big data analytics is applied in numerous diverse industries. Big data analytics is so well liked because it assists in so many various ways. This is the reason that big data professionals are now so highly sought so rapidly, because it can assist in enhancing nearly any kind of work. 9. Big data analytics is growing faster than we expected. Big data analytics is a technology that is progressing very rapidly and would revolutionize most industries very soon. The big data analytics market will be valued at $125 billion globally, according to experts. 10. Abundant career opportunities in big data analytics. Big data analytics has numerous types of employment opportunities to be filled. Conclusion: Big data analytics is a rapidly growing industry with ample job opportunities since businesses require professionals to comprehend and make use of data. There are not enough skilled professionals at present, and acquiring such skills can result in a good job. It's a good option for anyone who likes working with technology and resolving problems.